What's happening, everybody? Kelly here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a delicious pasta recipe. Today in this video I'm going to be cooking a spicy Cajun vegetable and prawn fettuccine. So without further delay, let's get cooking. I'll show you these ingredients. Here are a few of the ingredients we're going to need. We got some chopped garlic, chopped onions, parsley, chicken stock, red peppers, sugar snap peas, some kolbassa sausage, and we have some black tiger prawns.